Hey, I'm Mike Goffley. I'm here with Enfabrica. We're here in Denver for SC23. We've been here for a few days collaborating with customers who've looked at our accelerated compute switch fabric technology and looking at bringing it to market. But in addition to that, we've met with a whole slew of new potential customers that have questions about all the different technologies we've had. We've had questions about, in our chip, what kind of PCI interfaces we have. We've had a lot of interest in our CXL technology, and even questions about what we do with basic Ethernet, what kind of switching technology we've got, what kind of RDMA NICs. But all of it kind of comes from everybody's interested in a consolidated solution that actually combines all this technology in one piece of silicon. So that's been pretty exciting for people to see. But we wanted to take a different approach to this show than some of our other shows. We said, how about if we were able to show our solution is a disaggregated composer solution? What happens if we brought customers here and let them build their own solution? What would they build? What would it look like? So we actually did that. I'm going to show you a couple of examples of what they actually created. So come with me. Over here, we're actually building a supercomputer. And again, we had our thoughts of how to build it, but we wanted them to actually build it. So we actually allowed them to come to our composer. And this is what they're doing, is they're building racks of solutions. So you can actually see one of our I/O switches in here. But what they're able to do is add their own servers, they're able to add their own GPUs, and start building a supercomputer cluster. It was very interesting, the approach that different people took. We had one person who came in here and wound up building a solution that really looked like standard AI nodes and how they build it today. But what they said is they want something more flexible. They want something that's scalable. And ACF-S fit perfectly into that. And very quickly, just in a couple of minutes, they built a GPU solution that has over 120 petaflops of GPU compute. But then we heard other issues. We heard that inference at scale was a real big issue for customers. So we asked, how would you solve that? We had another customer who was really excited about our CXL technology. So what they did is they built a hybrid cluster. And they did something similar in these first two racks, and they built GPU nodes. But in the second two, it was all about CXL memory. And all of a sudden they realized, very simply, they could solve that problem too, and at scale. And then some customers really surprised us. We had somebody that just stopped by and said, I just got racks of servers, tons and tons of racks. I need a high-speed interconnect. Sure, between racks I can go Ethernet, but I want something that's much simpler, that's easier to do. That's kind of our sweet spot in what we do. So it was an exciting show. We got to see a lot of different opportunities with customers, and we look forward to taking their ideas and actually helping them build solutions.